Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Chase Bank account. Chase Bank, or often as Chase, is an American national bank headquartered in New York City that constitute the consumers and commercial banking subsidiaries of the United States. Multinational bank and financial service holding company. JP Morgan Chase. To reset the Chase Bank account, first open up any web browser. In this video, I'm going to use Google. After opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in www.chase.com. which will take you to the official web page of Chase Bank. And in the topmost right corner, you will see a sign called Sign In. Click on that, which will lead you to the login page of Chase Bank. And in there, you will notice an option called Forgot Password or Username. Click on that. Once you click the Forgot Password or Username option, you will need to provide your Social Security number or tax ID, or your account card or applicant number. After typing that, click on Next. After that, you will receive a verification code either on your cell phone or through your mail. And after verifying your code, you will be allowed to reset your password. So that was the process of resetting your password. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you could be notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.